All those men who are desperate for that one girl in their life show how desperate they are by acting needy and clingy when they go cold. That's not real that they have gone cold on you, but it's their subconscious mind which makes them test us in a way in making them act cold. I was also a guy just like you, getting out of the frame from my masculinity just because of this behavior. Over years of testing, I found out that it was a huge mistake that guys do when women go cold on them for no reason. After that, every single time, when a woman starts testing me, I kept myself conscious from losing my masculinity, and just act in a way which teases women in return. This thing drives women crazy, and also earns you respect in many ways. There are many such people around you constantly testing you for you to break through, but if you act opposite to what they've expected, you become more masculine ever than before and gain more respect. This is the one thing you should be doing. And that's keeping yourself in the frame. This is the one thing that makes men so desirable and rare. So, let's get started. In our life there are many things that try to make us move out of our masculine frame, but when we have a mindset of don't care about it, it's going to bounce back in the form of respect, and especially in the case with women. This is what makes the difference in you chasing women and women chasing you. Do you think women trust a guy who is aggressive, despite the situation that he is in, or a guy who is cool at any point dealing with situations in a diplomatic way? Every single time you come across a woman testing you, is that she is subconsciously testing if you can maintain your masculine frame. The guys who lose it make her lose interest on them, whereas a non-reactive guy takes the advantage in making the women chase him. Do remember, whatever you do with a woman is a test. Yes, it is. How do they do it? Well, they've seen quite a few scenarios previously. Everything comes with experience. So, does this one? When you present confidence in taking hatred, or taking a weird joke in a silly and funny way, it makes women to look at you as a more controlled and mentally strong individual. And that's great, isn't it? Women want to be with a man who is calm and can handle any situation staying cool. No unnecessary arguments are needed to win a fight, instead deal it in your cool way. This in turn applies to women as well. When women go cold, they want to test your chill attitude, if you're going to go clingy and needy. But when you're the situation around, and stay non-reactive, the lady comes back to you. And that's the power of a controlled mannerism. This is not just for humans but for animals as well. Let me give you an example real quick. Your dog starts barking down the street unnecessarily. The way in which a non-reactive guy deals with is dealing with it in a calm and non-reactive way. And the dog picks up on his masculine energy and respects him. The same thing happens with women as well. When she starts yelling or going cold or being reactive all of a sudden, she is testing you for you to break through from your frame, but a non-reactive cool guy is not going to let that happen. Holding his masculine frame is very important to be seen as very desirable by women, but it is also important for him to be respected by other men. This trait brings up fear in others, as well as respect. Being silent doesn't mean you are weak, it means you can deal with situations being calm, and it's a real great power. Most men lose their chill and go fight or start abusing verbally. But that's how it's not gonna work. In the same way, when a woman starts reacting in a weird way, by just screaming or yelling, just don't take situation the same way she does. But stay cool. Holding frame is one of the most important traits to master, because you have always been yelling, screaming and reactive to others' behavior. But once you become confident with how to deal and be non-reactive, you can literally pass every girl's test, making her to chase you. This trait also makes you more confidence and earns you more respect. That's it for today. With that being said, thank you for watching.